Let's you do the big piggy. What's the tiger and a baby tiger? And it must be baby tiger. And it's supposed to be baby tiger. It's supposed to be baby tiger. It's go in the water and he bites his 2 hands. He bites his hands and he bites his legs down.
That's a hippo.
Yeah, that's hippo. That's a hippo.
And what's he doing?
Oh, he's biting that.
He's biting the hippo? Or is he giving him kisses?
Oh, he's biting that.
Oh, he's biting that. Let's see.
Yeah.
What's going down there?
Oh, mommy kisses it.
Mommy kisses the baby.
Yeah.
Okay, what's happening in this one?
Well, some monkey.
What's the monkey doing?
Oh, he's doing a tree.
He's doing a tree.
Yeah. He's holding the tree.
Is it a cute monkey?
Yes, cute monkey. I want Daddy to come up.